Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone and welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. Let me introduce myself. I am Calvin Prasetya from Sultan Ageng University. As you can see on the screen, our topic today is social interaction, such as understanding, qualification, trust, and contributing factor. Social interaction. Understanding. Social interaction is a mutual relationship between individuals and individuals, individuals with group and group with each other, where people make contacts and communicate about one another in talks and action. B. It is a prerequisite for social interaction. 1. Social context. Primary context can also be primary when one directly matches and is face-to-face, and secondary context connects to an intermediary. For example, a said to be that admiring his role was the central role of one of the plays. 2. Communication. Communication is to relate to or associate with others, with social context of understanding. Emphasis is placed on individuals or group interacting, while communication is emphasized on how each message is processed. C. Characteristic of social interaction. 1. It's more than one person. 2. There is communication between the perpetrator through social contact. 3. Has a clear purpose. 4. There are dimensions of time, past, present, and future that will determine the action that is taking place. D. Factors that affect social interaction. 1. Suggestion. Suggestion is to influence one's view of another in a certain way, so that the person follows the view influenced without thinking. 2. Imitation. Imitation is an attempt to imitate the action of others as their ideal character. The impersonation tends to go unnoticed by a person. The first imitation will take place in family socialization. For example, a child will often imitate his or her parents' habit. 3. Identification. Identification is the tendency or desire in one person to be the same as another. An example of identification, a famous artist admirer. He often identifies himself as his favorite artist by imitating his hair model, clothing model, or style of behavior and considering himself to be the same. 4. Sympathy. Sympathy is a process that one feels attracted to another. Such sympathy may also be conveyed to a person or a group of people or to a formal institution at special times. An example of sympathy is at a birthday party, at a test pass, or at a moment of achievement. 5. Empathy. It is the ability to take or play effectively on one or another in a valid condition, as if they share the feelings of such others as pleasure, pain, hardship, and happiness. An example of empathy is the part we feel for the people of Yogyakarta, a victim of a volcanic eruption. 6. Motivation. Motivation is an individual's impulse, stimulus, influence, or stimulus to another individual in such as a way that the person given the motivation acquires or performs that which is critically and responsibly motivated. An example or motivation is the teacher who provides the motivation for her student to study more intensely. Inference. Approximate conclusion. Social interaction is a process characterized by awareness of another person and that one needs a response to the action of another person. Social interaction can take place in an atmosphere of friendship and hostility, such as toward cooperation or opposition. Okay, we're done at the end of the topic. Any question? If there are no questions, I will end this presentation. Thank you very much for your attention and discussion. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.